Okay, in this video we'll teach you how to find the right focus. The first one, you need to put the layer count to 200, and next one you put the laser F2 button, or you push the keyboard F2 here. Okay, these two methods have the same function. You can choose either of them, it's okay. Next one, we'll adjust the hand wheel to adjust the distance from the glass to the lens, and to find the strongest laser point here and find the right focus. Now we double check the focus distance. You can use a ruler from the upper surface of the glass to the lens. You can see it's about 300 millimeters. You double check the focus distance here. Okay, after you find the right focus, you need to click here to find the 3D parameters here to click. And you click the enable 3D laser and put confirm here. Now, when you find the right focus, you need to click the laser button and click laser button. The machine will start to drill the glass automatically in a short time.